5 key essential vitamins that can help stop acid reflux naturally and examples of foods. Acid reflux, a common digestive disorder that causes heartburn and discomfort, can significantly impact our daily lives. While medications are often used to manage acid reflux symptoms, many individuals are turning to natural remedies for relief. In this video, we will explore the importance of incorporating vitamins into your diet to stop acid reflux naturally and will change your life for the better, and also treat many diseases in your body provided that it's taken correctly and you choose the healthy type, as we'll explore in this video. By understanding the role of vitamins in managing acid reflux and the benefits they offer, you can take proactive steps towards improving your digestive health. Importance of vitamins in managing acid reflux. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being, including the management of acid reflux. Certain vitamins have been found to help alleviate symptoms associated with acid reflux, such as bloating, indigestion, and heartburn. By ensuring that your body receives an adequate supply of these essential nutrients, you can support your digestive system and reduce the frequency and severity of acid reflux episodes. Why natural remedies are preferred over medications for acid reflux. Natural remedies are increasingly preferred over medications for managing acid reflux due to their gentler approach and fewer side effects. While medications may provide temporary relief, they often come with a host of potential adverse effects and long-term consequences. In contrast, natural remedies, such as vitamins, offer a holistic and sustainable solutions to addressing the root cause of acid reflux. By focusing on improving your overall health through natural means, you can experience lasting relief from acid reflux symptoms without relying on medications. Benefits of using vitamins to alleviate acid reflux symptoms. Using vitamins to alleviate acid reflux symptoms offers a range of benefits that go beyond just symptom relief. Vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin E have been shown to support digestive health and reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. By incorporating these vitamins into your diet or through supplementation, you can strengthen your digestive system, promote healing of the esophagus, and prevent acid reflux flare-ups. Additionally, vitamins play a key role in boosting your immune system, improving nutrient absorption, and enhancing overall well-being, making them an essential component of a holistic approach to managing acid reflux naturally. By understanding the importance of vitamins in managing acid reflux, choosing natural remedies over medications, and harnessing the benefits of using vitamins to alleviate symptoms, you can take proactive steps toward achieving optimal digestive health. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the top 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally and empower you to take control of your digestive well-being. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, please show your support by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Welcome aboard. Vitamin number 1, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a crucial role in managing acid reflux and promoting digestive health. This essential vitamin is involved in various metabolic processes in the body, including the breakdown of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. By understanding the benefits of vitamin B6 in reducing acid reflux symptoms, incorporating foods rich in this vitamin into your diet, and ensuring you meet the recommended daily intake, you can support your digestive system and alleviate acid reflux discomfort naturally. Benefits of vitamin B6 in reducing acid reflux symptoms. Vitamin B6 has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, including the esophagus. By reducing inflammation, vitamin B6 can alleviate symptoms associated with acid reflux, such as heartburn, bloating, and indigestion. Additionally, vitamin B6 plays a key role in supporting the production of stomach acid and enzymes that aid in digestion, helping to prevent acid reflux flare-ups and promote optimal digestive function. Examples of foods rich in vitamin B6. Including foods rich in vitamin B6 in your diet is a simple and effective way to ensure you're getting an adequate supply of this essential nutrient. Some examples of foods that are high in vitamin B6 include 1. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a great source of vitamin B6 and can be easily incorporated into salads, soups, or roasted as a crunchy snack. 2. Bananas. Bananas are not only a convenient and portable snack, but also a good source of vitamin B6. Enjoy a banana on its own or add it to smoothies or oatmeal for a nutritious boost. 3. Chicken. Lean meats like chicken breast are rich in vitamin B6 and can be grilled, baked, or sautéed for a protein-packed meal. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a tasty and crunchy snack that is high in vitamin B6. Sprinkle them on salads or yogurt or enjoy them on their own for a nutritious boost. Recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 for acid reflux management. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 for adults is around 1.3–1.7 milligrams per day, depending on age and gender. For individuals looking to manage acid reflux symptoms, ensuring you meet this daily intake through a balanced diet rich in vitamin B6 containing foods is essential. However, it is always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate intake of vitamin B6 based on your individual needs and health status. Incorporating vitamin B6-rich foods into your diet and meeting the recommended daily intake can help support your digestive health, reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, and alleviate acid reflux symptoms naturally. By making simple dietary changes and prioritizing nutrient-rich foods, you can harness the benefits of vitamin B6 in managing acid reflux and promoting overall well-being. Vitamin number 2, vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in combating acid reflux and promoting digestive health. This essential vitamin is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but its benefits extend to reducing inflammation associated with acid reflux and supporting overall gastrointestinal function. By exploring the benefits of vitamin C in combating acid reflux, suggesting creative ways to increase its intake through vitamin C-rich foods, and emphasizing the importance of maintaining optimal levels for acid reflux relief, you can take proactive steps toward improving your digestive well-being. How vitamin C helps in reducing inflammation associated with acid reflux. Inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, particularly in the esophagus, can exacerbate symptoms of acid reflux, such as heartburn and discomfort. Vitamin C acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce inflammation and irritation in the digestive system. By neutralizing free radicals and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms, vitamin C can alleviate inflammation associated with acid reflux, promote healing of the esophagus, and prevent flare-ups of digestive discomfort. Creative ideas for incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into daily meals. Increasing your intake of vitamin C-rich foods is a delicious and easy way to support your digestive health and combat acid reflux. Some creative ideas for incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your daily meals include 1. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are excellent sources of vitamin C. Enjoy a refreshing glass of freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning, add citrus segments to salads, or use lemon or lime juice as a flavorful marinade for meats and vegetables. 2. Bell peppers. Colorful bell peppers are packed with vitamin C and can be added to stir-fries, fajitas, salads, or stuffed with quinoa and vegetables for a nutritious meal. 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious, but also rich in vitamin C. Enjoy a mixed berry smoothie, top your yogurt or oatmeal with fresh berries, or snack on a handful of berries for a sweet and nutritious treat. Importance of maintaining optimal vitamin C levels for acid reflux relief. Maintaining optimal levels of vitamin C is essential for supporting digestive health, reducing inflammation, and alleviating acid reflux symptoms. Adequate intake of vitamin C can help strengthen the immune system, improve wound healing, and protect the gastrointestinal lining from damage. By incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet regularly and ensuring you meet the recommended daily intake, you can support your body's natural defenses, promote digestive wellness, and experience relief from acid reflux discomfort. In conclusion, vitamin C plays a crucial role in combating acid reflux by reducing inflammation, supporting digestive health, and promoting overall well-being. By incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your daily meals, by exploring creative ways to increase your intake, and prioritizing optimal vitamin C levels, you can take proactive steps towards managing acid reflux naturally and enhancing your digestive comfort. Vitamin number 3, vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a significant role in managing acid reflux and promoting gut health. This essential vitamin is crucial for various bodily functions, including supporting the immune system, regulating calcium absorption, and reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. By understanding the significance of vitamin D in managing acid reflux, recommending sources for adequate intake, and emphasizing the importance of sunlight exposure for vitamin D synthesis and acid reflux prevention, you can optimize your digestive health and alleviate symptoms associated with acid reflux. Role of vitamin D in promoting gut health and reducing acid reflux symptoms. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for proper digestion and immune function. Adequate levels of vitamin D have been linked to a reduced risk of gastrointestinal disorders, including acid reflux. Vitamin D helps regulate the production of antimicrobial peptides in the gut, which play a key role in protecting the gastrointestinal lining and reducing inflammation. By promoting gut health and modulating immune responses, vitamin D can help alleviate acid reflux symptoms and support overall digestive wellness. Natural sources of vitamin D for inclusion in the diet. While sunlight exposure is the primary source of vitamin D synthesis in the body, there are also several natural dietary sources of vitamin D that viewers can include in their diet to ensure adequate intake. Some suggestions for vitamin D-rich foods include 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are excellent sources of vitamin D. Enjoy grilled or baked fish dishes, add canned fish to salads or sandwiches, or incorporate fish into pasta or rice dishes for a nutrient-rich meal. 2. Egg yolks. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, making them a convenient and versatile source of this essential nutrient. Enjoy scrambled eggs, omelets, or boiled eggs as part of your breakfast or snack. 3. Fortified foods. Many foods, such as milk, orange juice, and cereals, are fortified with vitamin D to help individuals meet their daily requirements. Check food labels to identify fortified products and incorporate them into your daily meals for added vitamin D intake. Importance of sunlight exposure for vitamin D synthesis and acid reflux prevention. Sunlight exposure is a crucial factor in vitamin D synthesis, as the skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Spending time outdoors, particularly during peak sunlight hours, can help boost vitamin D levels in the body and support overall health, including acid reflux prevention. Adequate sunlight exposure has been associated with a reduced risk of gastrointestinal disorders and improved digestive function. By incorporating regular outdoor activities into your routine and allowing for safe sun exposure, you can optimize vitamin D synthesis, promote gut health, and reduce the likelihood of experiencing acid reflux symptoms. In conclusion, vitamin D plays a vital role in managing acid reflux by promoting gut health, reducing inflammation, and supporting immune function. By including vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, prioritizing sunlight exposure for vitamin D synthesis, and recognizing the importance of maintaining optimal vitamin D levels, you can take proactive steps towards improving your digestive health and alleviating acid reflux discomfort naturally. In conclusion, incorporating vitamins into your diet is a powerful and natural way to stop acid reflux and promote digestive wellness. By understanding the key benefits of using vitamins to manage acid reflux naturally and taking proactive steps to include vitamin-rich foods in your daily meals, you can alleviate symptoms, reduce inflammation, and support optimal digestive function. It's time to take charge of your digestive health and embrace the healing power of vitamins. Throughout this video, we have explored the importance of vitamins in managing acid reflux and highlighted their role in reducing inflammation, promoting gut health, and alleviating symptoms. Vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin D play a crucial role in supporting digestive function, strengthening the immune system, and preventing acid reflux flare-ups. By incorporating vitamin-rich foods into your diet and maintaining optimal levels of these essential nutrients, you can take proactive steps towards managing acid reflux naturally. To experience the benefits of using vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally, we encourage you to incorporate vitamin-rich foods into your daily meals. Whether it's adding citrus fruits for vitamin C, including chickpeas for vitamin B6, or enjoying fatty fish for vitamin D, making simple dietary changes can have a significant impact on your digestive health. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods and ensuring you meet your daily intake of essential vitamins, you can support your body's natural defenses and alleviate acid reflux symptoms. If you found this information valuable and are eager to learn more about natural remedies for digestive health, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on health-related content. By staying informed and engaged, you can empower yourself with knowledge and take proactive steps toward improving your overall well-being. Together, let's embark on a journey towards better digestive health and a life free from acid reflux discomfort. By harnessing the benefits of using vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally, incorporating vitamin-rich foods into your diet, and taking action toward optimal digestive health, you can pave the way for a healthier and more comfortable lifestyle. Remember, your health is in your hands, and small changes can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better digestive health.